Let's make Play-Doh. So no matter how you spell it, it's all the same great stuff. Excellent for fine motor skill development, and children can get creative and also have a blast at the same time. It's good for toddlers and preschoolers and all ages from about 1 up that can benefit from playing with Play-Doh. I suggest that under ones don't use it because it'll just end up in their mouths. So I'm going to teach you a cooked Play-Doh recipe which comes out great. To make Play-Doh, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of warm water, 1 cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar, which I found in the spice section of the supermarket, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and also some liquid food colouring. Firstly, we're going to add all the ingredients into the cold saucepan. So we're going to mix the flour, the salt, the 2 cups of warm water, as well as we're going to mix in the 1 tablespoon of the cream of tartar and 2 tablespoons of oil. So there's 1 and there's the 2nd tablespoon of oil. You're going to be using the stove for this recipe, so I advise that adults do the cooking part and not kids. Turn the stove on to a low heat and start stirring all the ingredients in the saucepan together with a wooden spoon. Just make sure it's a low heat. It took about 3 or 4 minutes of stirring on the low heat before anything began to happen, so just keep on stirring. And after about 5 minutes, the Play-Doh mix will begin to look clumpy and sticking together. It'll look like it's ready, but I really do suggest that you keep stirring for another minute or so, and this will stop it from being sticky. So turn the heat off and move the saucepan away from the heat when it's done. Let it cool down for about an hour in the saucepan. Then it's time for the children to choose what their favourite colours are and ready to mix it all together. You want to protect the tabletops from food colour stains by using wax paper, and you can wear disposable gloves to help your hands stay colour-free. It took quite a lot of food colouring to colour each Play-Doh ball. It kind of surprised me. I thought it would only take a couple of drops, but it needed at least 10 drops per ball. So also, if you happen to get food colouring on your hands, just no worries. Check out my video on removing food colouring from your hands. I found that the homemade Play-Doh is best stored in the fridge in a Ziploc bag. I always put the Play-Doh out of the fridge and let it sit for about at room temperature for about an hour before the kids use it, just so it's not so cold on their fingers. And there you have it, beautiful, squishy, yet not so sticky Play-Doh for preschool-aged children to explore. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling and enjoy making Play-Doh.